Play-to-earn games reward participants with digital cash or non-fungible tokens. In recent years, these blockchain-backed games, also known as P2E, have gone mainstream, becoming a core component of nearly every metaverse out there, with each platform boasting its own form of cryptocurrency to pay online gamers for their time commitment. Earning currency that has real-world value while having fun is one of the main reasons why play-to-earn games like Gala Games have become so popular. NFTs that can become a profitable asset is another. Here are the top 5 alternatives of Gala Games in the market today. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Axi Infinity. This trade and battle play-to-earn game is based on Axi's Ethereum-minted NFTs that players can collect, breed, raise, battle against, and trade with other online users. There are many different types of Axis to choose from, and the possibilities for customization are endless. When a player battle other users and win, they earn love potions that can be sold for AXS tokens. Axi Infinity boasts more than 8 million registered players, and around 1 million of them play it daily. To show how lucrative this game has gotten, Axi Infinity has been fueling a digital economy based on crypto assets in Southeast Asia, specifically in the Philippines and Vietnam. Roughly 60.9 million AXS, 23% of the total supply, are in circulation as of April 1, 2022, while a single share of AXS is valued at about $66. Number 2. Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform that allows players to construct their own 3D world, buying land and developing it into whatever they want within the platform. Once a player buys land, they can create anything they want with it, from building a separate game to opening an online store that's open for business. A player can also pay other users to keep their land secure while they're offline. To get started with Decentraland, a player needs to have an Ethereum wallet to be able to buy and store the platform's mana currency. They can then begin participating on the platform. Around 1.8 billion mana coins are in circulation as of April 1, 2022, and a single share of mana is valued at a little more than $2.66. Number 3. Lucky Block. Leading the way when it comes to the best NFT games for 2022 is Lucky Block. The Lucky Block platform is one of the most hotly anticipated within the broader crypto industry, offering daily prize draws facilitated through a handy mobile app. This crypto prize draw platform is fully decentralized and hosted on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, ensuring that rewards are distributed fairly and transparently. Through the Lucky Block app, users can purchase tickets to the daily prize draws with the jackpot pool funded through ticket revenue and a transactional tax built into each sale of L-Block, Lucky Block's native token. Winners are selected at random in conjunction with the Chainlink VRF service, ensuring that Lucky Block abides by all regulatory requirements. Not only will Lucky Block offer daily jackpots to be won, but there is also scope to win 2 jackpots each day by owning a Lucky Block NFT. These NFTs act as lifetime entry tickets into exclusive NFT prize draws, which could have an average payout of $10,000. Interestingly, all NFT holders will also be entered into a one-off prize draw worth $1 million, with a further draw taking place once all NFTs are sold, which provides the winner with a brand new Lamborghini. A crucial aspect of the Lucky Block platform is its charitable foundations, evidenced through regular donations. A total of 10% of each daily jackpot will be donated to good causes, with Lucky Block's users able to vote on which cause receives the funds. There will be 4 causes for users to vote on, with 70% going to the winner and 10% to each of the remaining 3. Lucky Block's prize draws are set to commence on May 15th, which is already generating massive anticipation from the platform's Telegram group. Due to this and the factors noted above, Lucky Block is undoubtedly our top pick for the best NFT games. Number 4. The Sandbox. This blockchain-based game lets users build, craft, and survive in its blocky metaverse. Users playing the Sandbox can buy land, an NFT, to build a house or a castle, or to go on quests to earn in-game currency, which is the Sand token. Combining creativity, strategy, and survival skills, the Sandbox encourages players to actively participate on the platform, buying and selling NFTs. The more items players build, after all, the higher the level they can reach. Roughly 1.2 billion sand, minus 36% of the total supply, are in circulation as of April 1, 2022, while a single share of sand is valued at around $3.53. Number 5. Blancos Block Party. Blancos Block Party is a multiplayer party platform where users can play minigames and complete quests to collect moolah or MLA, the in-game currency. Users can also buy Blanco Bucks with a credit card. In this game, participants create unique assets, which are NFTs that offer special in-game abilities. Players can then buy, sell, and trade their Blancos for different perks. Considered one of the best earned games, Blancos Block Party allows users to earn NFTs while having fun, allowing them to trade their coins for other cryptos through external exchanges. While there's a total supply of 740,000 MLA coins available, there is no information on how many of them were in circulation as of April 1, 2022. A single share of MLA was valued at half a cent. Concluding all this, the transition of Facebook to Meta, the recent acquisition of Activision Blizzard by Microsoft, and the launch of NFT marketplace Quartz by gaming studio Ubisoft indicate that the gaming industry is also serious about the implementation of blockchain innovations into mainstream gaming. Recently, Justin Kan, co-founder of video streaming platform Twitch, wrote on Twitter, "NFT games are better for players and for game developers. Like the free-to-play revolution changed gaming, so will blockchain. The games of the future will be fully robust with open and programmable economies. Will P2E completely overtake the traditional gaming industry?" What are your thoughts on this? Tell us in the comments below. But all these developments strongly suggest that the P2E model is indeed the future of gaming. So that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.